Okay, one reason Tram Doctor doesn't like working on other people's stuff. This is actually mine though. I bought it off Facebook here. Got it for a really good price, and shipping was free. So it was a good deal, but this is exactly how it arrived after I opened it up. I haven't taken anything out or moved anything. Well, maybe that was there. But this is it. This is how it arrived. Even when I received it, the wife said she heard stuff jumbling it around. So this is my latest purchase. 2 Tram D201As. And this is how they packed it and shipped it. That's why I don't like messing with people. Alright. That's it. Bye.